big Pulse 3, and now I'm trying to make a sound test out of it. But it's outside and it's nighttime. I'm sorry. I don't have time for it, so yeah. Um, it's pretty not that loud. Last time it's so loud, but now it's not. Yeah, it's not that loud anymore. I don't know why. Let me max volume it, guys. I don't know why it's not that loud anymore. Last time it's so loud, but now it just sounds like it's underwater. Beautiful. So you can hear it, guys. It's not that loud. I don't know why. Turn up your volume so you can hear it properly. It's not that loud. Oh, that's why it's low battery. Okay, let's end the video here. Just like how it's garbage here. See you when this thing gets charged. Oh.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.